We need to make our minds up today. When we play, they are turning away.
This broken speaker's breaking up the feed.
Look, they're leaving at lightning speed. We have our wants and then we have our needs.
You know we need this.
Let's go and get the best deal in town. Yeah. Spend your money wisely, my friend. Get the best price from what you have to spend. Spend your money wisely, show no how. You don't have to spend it all.
It don't have to be now.
Spend your money wisely, show no how.
I compared all the stores and was really surprised. Turns out there's different price tags for the same merchandise. If I shop around and take my time, I can get more value for this money of mine. I'm trying not to get distracted, but I see cool things and I'm attracted. Hello! Spend your money wisely, my friend. It will go really quick if you overextend. Spend your money wisely, show no how. You don't have to spend it all.
It don't have to be now.
Spend your money wisely, show no how.
Something's come up and I'm ready to spend. Is it a need or a want? Let me comprehend. Do I need it or do I have something similar? Cha-ching needs a speaker if we want to go far. Just wait and think through the alternatives. The savings other options may give. Yeah. Spend your money wisely, my friend. Work out what you want, it's what I recommend. Spend your money wisely, show no how. You don't have to spend it all.
It don't have to be now.
Spend your money wisely, show no how.
We got a clear and strong aim for something we need. We're a little short on cash, but Justin's got a lead. We made the effort and have ourselves to thank. For the effort, we have some extra cash in the bank. We got our speaker and some money to spare. Makes us feel like millionaires. Oh, spend your money wisely, my friend. You can reach the stars when you don't misspend. Spend your money wisely, show no how. You don't have to spend it all.
It don't have to be